Hey everybody, Johnny Fuel. Today is day 4, and I'm in Grand Canyon Village, or Tusayan. Ugh, I can't remember how it's spelled. I'll have to put the name below. Anyway, I'm getting packed up. I'm going back to the Grand Canyon to a couple of viewpoints and check it out. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and I want to see, kind of what it looks like under some different light. And then I'm gonna head over back this way to the Grand Canyon Visitor Center, and see what they have there. I thought that might be kind of fun. And then have some lunch, and we'll see where the day takes me. Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you. I prepaid for 2 days. Okay. That was quick. Oh, hey, I have a question. You can go along the rim east.
Yep, 4 miles up at the stop sign. You can take.
Yeah. No, I've been there, but west you can only go by shuttle. Is that right?
Yeah,
you can't drive.
Yep, take shuttle bus.
Okay. Why is that?
There's not enough parking out there for people.
I
to
see.
take their own vehicles.
I got you. Thank you. This is a beautiful drive. I want to see what our elevation is here. Oh, here we go. Elevation 60 feet. I bet there's some nice hiking around here. But I won't have a chance to do that on this trip. All right, leaving the Grand Canyon Village for Williams, so it's almost directly south. So this is my room, Quality Inn, kind of a no-nonsense room here. And yeah, so today's day 4, and I got here mid-afternoon. I'm gonna go grab, finish unpacking and then grab something to eat, and then relax for tonight. And then tomorrow I start heading home. So that's all for today. Thanks.